There are tons of best smart door locks available in market, so making the right choice is quite difficult. To make your choice quite easier, here we welcome you to the latest and top selection of 10 best smart door locks. Let's start. At number 10 we have Lockily Fingerprint Bluetooth Keyless Best Smart Lock. At Lockily, our mission is to make every door safer and more secure by pioneering control, versatility, and access through our smart locks and property tech cloud services. Today our company manufactures the world's most advanced smart locks and property tech cloud services, enabling unprecedented door access capabilities for homeowners, smart rentals, builder, developers, and smart hotels. 3D biometric fingerprint sensor is unlike other optical readers that can easily be tricked by using images of fingerprints. At number 9 we have Ultraloq U-Bolt Bluetooth Fingerprint Keypad Best Smart Door Lock. Control your Ultraloq smart lock anytime, anywhere, unlock, share access and see a log of who's entered and exactly when they did remotely using smartphone app with Wi-Fi bridge included. Share e-key or code remotely to your family, guests or service people for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. Smart lock automatically locks as you leave and unlocks when you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Works with IFTTT. Compatible with Apple Watch. Replace your current deadbolt with just a screwdriver. Backed by Ultraloq, world's leading smart lock brand with more than 1 million happy American users. Plus lifetime mechanical warranty and 18 months electronic warranty. Ultraloq smart lock has undergone 250,000 high-strength tests, and its maximum bearing capacity can reach 1600 lbf. Certified by ANSI Grade 1. Proven for up to 35 times the strength of standard residential locks along with a 7 times longer lifespan. Add random digits to protect your passcode from prying eyes, even at night with the bright backlight. Unlike touchscreen locks, it's easy to use with tactile buttons, even when wearing gloves. Smart Lock Auto unlocks when you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket and auto locks when you leave. Powered by 4 AA alkaline batteries with up to more than 1 year of battery life through regular use. Low battery notification via smartphone app. Use an external battery to activate your smart lock even when the batteries are dead. At number 8 we have listed best smart door locks compatible with Alexa in satin nickel. Lock and unlock from anywhere, receive notifications when you receive optional in-home delivery, create PIN codes and manage schedules. Prime members can opt into in-home delivery and use the app to receive delivery notifications and watch in-home delivery. No expensive installations here. With Kwikset Convert you can easily transform your existing deadbolt into a smart lock and conveniently manage access from anywhere with your smartphone. From the outside, it looks like your standard door lock. But it's discreetly converted into a smart lock to give you all the convenience and security features of an electronic lock. Easily replace your current lock's interior hardware only. The Amazon Key app has a step-by-step guide to installing and setting up the Kwikset Convert lock. At number 7 the Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen best smart lock for home. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. 95 fingerprints can be enrolled. Identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds and works well for kids and the elder. Anti-peep password ensures that strangers can't steal your password by looking at worn-out keypad digits or watching you nearby when you enter the password. This function allows the user to type in any number of random digits, and can still gain access as long as the one correct password is embedded in the longer set of numbers. You don't have to open app. Just knock on your phone 4 times, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. You can just wake up your smartphone screen and shake your phone to unlock your door. No need to open U-Tech app. At number 6 we have the best smart door locks for home and office with rechargeable battery. Colzer Smart Lock will retrofit your existing deadbolt lock by simply installing on the inside of your door over your existing deadbolt. Easy installation, nothing to wire or connect. The whole installation takes less than 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Keep the existing lock, leave your outside lock alone, and you keep your existing deadbolt and keys. Great for those who are not allowed to or don't want to change how the outside of the door looks. Meanwhile, you can still use the original keys as a backup. Simply speak to Siri to unlock your door, offering great convenience when your hands are full of kids, groceries, or anything else that makes it tough to rummage around for your keys. Your phone is now your key. Lock and unlock your door with a simple slide on your smartphone app Oitsme. You can hardly lock yourself out while losing or forgetting the keys. And no more hiding keys under mats. Share e-keys unlimitedly and grant home access for a friend, family member, and trusted service worker, no matter where you are. No more copies of keys floating out there, also great for Airbnb hosts and companies. The button on this keyless lock is your key. Press this button once to unlock the door for your guest outside, and press and hold this button for 3 seconds to let your door automatically lock behind you, ever so handy when you're in a rush. If you are already in bed at night and don't remember whether the door is locked, you can check it directly on your mobile phone. Built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries which could last up to 6 months after a full charge, saving the cost of buying batteries. Low power alert. The app and the indicator on the lock will remind you to recharge as the battery power gets low to 15%, no concerns about failure due to power shortage. Easy to recharge. Thanks to the USB interface, you can plug this smart lock into a power source or a power bank using a universal USB cable to charge without taking the batteries out. Simply send each guest an invitation to download the Oitsme app. After doing so, they'll have instant access to your home based on the access levels you set. Colzer smart locks are compatible with most single-cylinder deadbolts. If you're having questions on the compatibility, please confirm with us first. If you are new here, please subscribe our YouTube channel. At number 5 we have listed the Schlage Cam 716 Smart Locks for Home, installs easily with a screwdriver and connects quickly to your home's Z-Wave system with the push of a button. Improved range, battery performance, and encryption elevate the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt to a whole new level of security. The built-in alarm alerts you when someone attempts to tamper with the lock or significant force is applied to the door. Pair with a Z-Wave smart home or security system like Samsung SmartThings or Ring alarm to lock and unlock from anywhere. Use the fingerprint-resistant touchscreen to share up to 30 access codes instead of keeping track of spare keys. Keying, 5-pin tumbler, see keyway, 1 key included. At number 4 we have positioned the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Fits your existing deadbolt in minutes. August Smart Locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and way more convenient. Keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. Forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access to your home with friends, family, and other people you trust, and never put a key under the doormat again. Easy to install on any door, even if you're not so handy. Installation only takes about 10 minutes. August locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and aren't much bigger than your original thumbturn. Auto locks and unlocks. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is able to auto unlock as you get home for totally hands-free unlocking, optional. With Auto Lock and Door Sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. Works seamlessly with your smart home. Built-in Wi-Fi allows your lock to work with your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and more. Award-winning Smart Lock year after year, voted CNET Editor's Choice 2 years in a row. 2020-2021, Best Smart Lock by Good Housekeeping. 2021, Best Smart Lock by Tom's Guide. 2021. Get smart lock functionality without changing the look of the outside of your front door. August smart locks are installed only on the inside of the door, so your design for your front door doesn't have to adapt. At number 3, we have positioned the Level Bolt Smart Lock, Bluetooth Deadbolt, works with your existing lock. Level Bolt is the only way to invisibly transform your existing deadbolt. Make your locks smart and maintain the design integrity of your home. Level Bolt's quality craftsmanship demonstrates a level of precision not found on any other smart lock. Our parts come together securely in your door and the battery is thoughtfully hidden inside the bolt. Designed to deliver convenient and reliable smart security in a small, elegant design, Level Bolt is the first and only invisible smart deadbolt lock. It's made to fit with your current hardware and housing so you can have a smart lock without adding bulky boxes or tacky keypads to your beautiful front door. Make your lock smart. Designed to replace your current deadbolt, Level Bolt is the only way to invisibly transform your lock. Add smart conveniences to your home without the big, unsightly bulk of other smart locks. Designed for everyone, give friends and family the convenience of using their phone, voice, or a key to enter your home. Works with iOS and Android, powerful and secure, featuring a 6-gauge stainless steel gearbox, Level Bolt Smart Lock meets the highest level of industry standards. Stay connected, access from anywhere, lock and unlock with Siri, run automations and more with HomeKit. Simple installation, Level Bolt features an innovative and compact wire-free design, making it easy to install with just a screwdriver. The adjustable back set fits both 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 profiles. Reference the spec sheet found in the product guides and documents section below to make sure your existing deadbolt will work with Level Bolt. Level locks are engineered to meet ANSI standard strike plate dimensions. If your current strike plate cutout height measures 2 1/4, be sure to add a level short strike plate to your cart. This item is sold separately. At number 2, we have positioned the Master Lock Set Your Own Combination Portable Lock Box with Light-Up Dials. Master Lock is recognized around the world as the authentic, enduring name in padlocks and security products. Since our founding in 1921, we have worked hard to earn and maintain the trust of our customers by delivering on our promise of strength and quality and by continually setting new standards for lock design, application and performance. A top choice, and at number 1 we listed the Amazon Basics Traditional Electronic Keypad Deadbolt Door Lock, electronic single-cylinder deadbolt with customizable keyless entry, one-touch, timed locking, and low battery indication. Create 6 customizable user codes plus single-use temporary codes for visitors or maintenance workers. Customizable automatic door locking after 10 to 99 seconds for peace of mind. Operates by electronic keypad or traditional key outside and thumb turn lock inside. Fits door thickness of 1-3/8 inch to 1-3/4 inch, includes an adjustable latch to fit all standard door preparations. Includes all necessary hardware components, easy to install with a Phillips head screwdriver. The customizable door lock allows entry using a programmed security code or your house key. Multiple styles and finishes available. Includes programmable one-touch locking and the ability to grant temporary or permanent access codes to workers, kids, renters or visitors. The deadbolt fits standard doors of 1-3/8 inch to 1-3/4 inch thickness and includes an adjustable latch and a thumb turn lock for the interior side. The set includes all the necessary hardware components you need for an easy installation. Standard size Phillips head screwdriver required. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.